friends, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. In this video, we are going to treat the subtopic regular polygons under the topic polygons. Now, when we talk of a regular polygon, it means a polygon that has all the size and angles equal. So we are saying that a regular polygon is a polygon that has all the size and angles equal. Not only that, all regular polygons with any size. If a polygon with any size, that is 4 sides, it implies that there are n interior angles, meaning 4 interior angles and n exterior angles. So if they are 4-sided figure, the interior angle will be 4 and the exterior angle will be 4. So examples of regular polygons could be equilateral triangles, a square itself, rhombus. Those are examples of regular, meaning the size are equal, the angles are what? Equal. So under this, what we want to find is how to find the how to find the interior angle of a regular polygon. Provided I know the side and I want to find the interior angle. They see they are all equal. So if, for example, we take a triangle which is equilateral, meaning these are equal, then these are also what? Equal. Good. Now, if we are saying they are all equal, it means that if I put here y, here should be y, here should be y. Per the angle properties of a triangle, it says that the interior angles of a triangle sum up to what? 180. So it means here I'll be having y plus y all equals what? 180 degrees. So we know if I add all these 3y, it will give me 3y equals to 180. So fast forward, dividing through by 3, your y is going to be what? 60 degrees. It means each of the angle is what? 60 degrees. Right? Good. Now, it means that if I add all the angles, I should be getting 180. We also know the sum of interior angle of a polygon, not a triangle, of a polygon is given by n minus 2 times what? 180 degrees. So if a question gives me 180 as the interior angle, the sum of all the interior angles, how will I find the value of 1 since they are all equal? How will I find? I believe you know that we are saying that if the size is what? N. If the size is n, the interior angle will be n and the exterior angle will be n. So I will only go and say that if the sum is 180 and the side is what? N. In this case 3. So I'll put here 3. I want to find what the value of each of the angles. There are 3 angles. That is summing up to give me 180. How will I get it? I know if I proportion this number, that is divide this number into 3 different parts, I should be getting the value of each of the angles. So each angle is going to be the 180 over what? 3. And that will still give us what? 60 degrees. I believe you are asking what is the sense in doing this. If I know 180 divided by 3 is 60, why won't I just go ahead and add and get them? That is the case of triangle. Imagine you were given a polygon with what? 12 sides. You cannot be able to tell what will be the size of each of the individual angles. So if you are given the sum of that interior angles, you divide it by 12 in order to get the value of individual, right? So the 180 we are having here is actually the sum of the interior angles. You know, when I put the size is 3. If I put 3 here, 3 minus 1 minus 2 will be 1. 1 times this will give me this. So the sum is this. So if I'm looking for each of the interior angle from this, it will be divided by what? 3. In this case, the 3 is what? Number of sides. So I have this. So to generate a formula, that is to have a standard way of finding each individual what? Angles of any polygon, regular polygon, is that each individual angle is going to be equal to the sum of the angles divided by number of sides. As we can see from here, the sum of the angles is what? 180. The number of sides is what? 3. If I divide, I get 60. So if I put 3 here, I'll still get the interior angle of a triangle. I believe you get the concept. So this works for every regular polygon. The word is what? Regular. Meaning the sides will be equal and the angles will be equal. Imagine this is 60, 40, 60. Then it means that we cannot be able to divide. If I divide, I will not be fair to get equal angles, while some are different. I believe you get the concept. Good. Let's take a question in this direction. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is given as theta, where theta is the mean of 130 and 140. We have to find the number of sides of the polygon. So you can see that per the formula we have, with interior angle of a polygon, regular polygon, equals to the sum over the number. Here we have been given the interior. We are asked to find a number. So what do? We need to find what the interior angle is, which is theta. We know theta is the mean. Mean means what? The sum divided by the number of elements you are adding. So it's going to be 130 plus 140 divided by 2. And I believe that will give us 270 over 2, 135 degrees. So it means that each interior angle, all of the interior angle is going to be what? 135. So now I need to know how many sides is producing 135. So what will I do? Per the formula, where I'm going to put this for this, then I'll look for this. So now it means 135 equals to n minus 2. So this becomes linear equation involving fraction. We multiply through by the LCM in this case, which is what? N. So it's going to be 135n equals to 180n minus what? 360. 2 times 180 will give us that. I believe I see n. So I'm looking for like terms. So this being negative can come to this side to become what? Positive 360. Then I maintain 180n, bringing 135n to that side. So if you subtract this from this, we have 45. We add 45, so we are going to have 360 equals to 45 what? N. So now what do? We are looking for n, right? So we divide by the coefficient. So 360, 45, 45n, 45. So n is going to be 8. So therefore, the polygon has what? 8 sides. So we can see that if you know the number of what? Sides, you can find the interior angle. If you know the interior angle, you can also find the number of sides. That will not be a problem. I believe you have learned something. You have grabbed the concept. Let us learn not only to memorize formula. Let us understand the concept of the question, then apply it accordingly. I believe we can do that. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your learning colleagues, comment, and if you are new, consider subscribing to the channel because more videos will be coming your way. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.